A great new feature in OS X Mavericks is shared photo streams. Now, in previous versions of OS X, we were able to take our pictures and put them up into iCloud, but now starting this version, we can take those and share them with other users. What I'm going to do is take a photo from this iPad and share it with another user on their iPhone. So let's start out by going into the Photos app. I'm going to go in here. And you see I have photos of all sorts of things. And let's say I want to share some stock photos. This is Martha's iPad, and I'm going to share them with Julio, and I have Julio's phone here. So I'm going to tap this picture here, and we have some pretty typical stock art. And down here in the lower left, I'm going to tap the little Share button, and I'm going to tap the iCloud button here. And I haven't created a shared stream yet, so the first thing I have to do here is give a name to the stream. So I'll just call this stock art. That's it, and now I'll tap next. And I have to decide who I'm sharing this with. Now, I've already dealt with Julio before on this iPad, so his email address is there, so I can just tap it. If not, I could manually type it in. And I'm not limited to only one person. I could share this with other people, and if I want to do that, I would simply hit the plus sign and type in their email addresses. So I'll tap Create. And now I could put in a comment if I want. I'll just leave that blank, make it a little easier here. And now when I tap Post, it's now posted. Now let's take a look at Julio's phone, and it says, hey, Martha shared a photo with you. So I could tap that, or let's say if I'm not fast enough, I could go in here, and you can notice that the photos, there's a little indicator there, so I'll tap that. And I'll go in. And see in iCloud here, I've got this little shared marker. Tap that. And hey, do I want to share it or not? So I'm going to tap View One New Invitation. And do I want to accept or decline? So yes, I want to accept. And it'll take a second or two, and the photo will come in. There we go. Now, what's really great is this works in reverse. If I want, I could go into the photos on the phone, do the same thing, share into this stream, and then take a photo from this phone and share it with Martha. Now, let's say we want to break the connection. There's where it's a little different between the phone and the iPad. If I decide that I want to break the connection on the iPhone, I simply unsubscribe. If I want to break the connection on the iPad here, which created the stream, then I actually end up deleting it. Let me show you that. Let's go back here. I'm going to go back to Moments here. I'll go back to Shared. So there is the stock art. And if I hit this little X, and it asks me to delete stock art, if I do that, it's deleted that stream and all of the photos in the stream. And now, notice on the phone, that's gone. So you have complete control on both ends, how you want to share photos. This is such a much better feature than emailing photos around or sending them in text messages. Shared photo streams, try it out.